Warranty will cover everything except labor. Any product that you put out there, I don't care if it's a Amana, Train, Lennox, Carrier, I don't care what you put out there. Straight out of the box, it has a 5-year warranty on parts. Not a manufacturer out there that's going to give you a warranty on labor. Compressors will come with a 5-year warranty. Heat exchangers will usually come with a 20-year warranty. All the other parts will come with a 5-year warranty. If you personally go and register that equipment, most manufacturers will increase that warranty on the parts to 10 years. Now, on the other hand, Amana, anytime you go to a 16-SEER piece of unit of equipment or above, they are going to give you a lifetime replacement on the compressor. There's no other company doing that. It's going to increase if you put a new furnace in there. Company with a 16-SEER piece of equipment on the outside, it'll give you a lifetime warranty on the heat exchanger. All your other parts are going to be covered for 10 years. That's your warranty. Now the labor, there is a warranty that we can do. It's an aftermarket labor. Assure program is actually carried by Amana, and it's an in-house warranty program. And then of course we have Cool Care that is provided by AppleCare, which actually will provide you the labor part of it, so that in conjunction with your warranties, you won't have a problem. You won't have to pay anything other than maintenance on that unit for 10 years.